Hi, Lucy. Hello. Hello. Ching, ching, ching. Hello, good evening, Lucy. Hi, good evening. Wow, good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you, Lucy? Are you happy today?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's say, I'm happy. Okay, very good. And what are you eating today? Or what are you eating right now? What are you eating?
Is right.
Rice?
Meat
Rice and meat. Wow, that's very delicious. How about now? Are you eating rice and meat right now?
Bạn đang ăn gì? Bạn đang ăn gì vậy?
Is it rice and meat?
huh?
Are you eating what are you eating right now? Because I can see that you are like that. You are eating something. I can see that you're eating something. What is that?
Tôi thấy bạn đang ăn gì đó. Đó là món gì vậy?
What's that? Hmm. What is that? Ding, 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 ding. Oh no, where are you? Where are you? Oh,
This one.
you're. Oh, okay. You are there now. What are you eating? Are you eating meat right now? I can see you are chewing. You are chewing something.
No.
I know it's no. Okay. Okay, so now, before we continue our lesson, so Lucy, let's have a review of what we had learned last time. So now, teacher will ask you again. So, can you describe what can you see in the picture, Lucy? What can you see?
It's about
Bạn, 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 bạn nhìn thấy gì? Bạn nhìn thấy gì trong bức tranh?
Can you see in the picture?
Bored
Hmm.
of selling.
Huh?
Bored of selling.
Bored of selling? Huh? Bored of selling? Like this? BORD. Huh?
Bạn nhìn thấy gì trong bức tranh?
What can you see in the picture? So let's have a review if you still remember the sentence that we learned last time on how to describe this picture. So what can you see? I can see. I can see. What's this? What's in the picture?
it's
Hmm.
family.
Very good. It's family. Who is she? Who is she?
It's mother.
Okay, let's say complete sentence. She is
Mother.
mother. Again, let's say who is she? She
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 is mother.
Okay, very good. How about this girl? Who is she? Who is she? She
She is she is
she is Hmm.
sister.
Okay, very good. She is sister. Oh no, my microphone, what do you call that? Foam dropped. Okay, next. Who is he? Who is he?
He is the he is father.
Very good. Nice. Who is he? This one. Who is he?
Is
He.
he is brother.
Okay, very good. Wow, so nice. Next, what is this? This one. What is this, Lucy? This? What's this? What is this? What is this? Is this a flower?
Đây là cái gì?
Is this a flower?
No.
No. What is this? This? This?
This is a tree.
Okay, very good. This is a tree. How about this? What is this? This? What is this?
It
Is
a bowl.
ball. What color? What color is the ball?
It's blue.
Okay, again, let's say this is
It
a what's this? This is
is
a blue.
a blue
A blue what?
a blue bowl.
Okay, very good. How about this? What is this? What is this? What's this? This is. What is this? Is this also a ball? Is this a ball? Is this a ball?
No.
No. What is this?
Is what?
I don't. Okay, you forgot, huh? Okay, we call it. It's okay. We call it as picture. Oh, hello. Wow, it's your brother? Is it your
Yes.
brother? Wow, hello. What is his name? What is your brother's name?
Is
What's your brother's name? It's so cute. Wow, okay, again. What is this? Lucy, this
what?
is, we call it
Picture
picture. Very good. What is the color of the picture? What
is
color?
blue.
Okay, so now let's answer the question. So what is this, Lucy? This? Are you eating something? Oh, what is that? A candy? Is it a candy? Oh no.
No.
Ah no. Chocolate? A chocolate?
No.
Ah no also? Oh, what are you eating? What's that? What is that? Ah, oh, is it rice paper? Am I
Yes.
correct? Yes. Oh, is it delicious? Is it delicious? Is it delicious?
Nó có ngon không?
Yes.
Oh, because I want to try it. I want to try it. But there's no rice paper here in our place.
Tôi muốn thử, nhưng ở chỗ tôi không có bánh tráng.
Yeah, I only see it online, but I don't know the taste. How does it taste like? How does it taste like? Is it salty or sweet?
Nó có vị như thế nào? Mặn hay ngọt?
Sweet or salty?
It's sweet.
Oh, it's sweet. Wow, I think that's delicious. When I go to Vietnam, I will try that. Okay, wow. Okay, again. So again, let's answer this thing that we can see in the picture. Lucy, what is this? What is this? This is
It's blue picture.
okay, very good. But let's not forget the A, this one. Let's say this is a blue picture.
It's a blue picture.
Pit. Okay, very good. How about this one, Thymie? Do you know what animal is this? What animal is this? Ching, 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 ching. What animal
It's duck.
is...
Duck.
Oh,
Duck.
okay. Very good. Very good. Because last time, I remember you told teacher that this is a chicken. But this is very good. This is a duck. So again, let's say this is a duck. This. Okay, okay.
This
Is.
is a duck.
Okay, very good. What color is the duck? What color is the duck?
It's yellow.
Okay, it's yellow. Very good. Um, Lucy. Lucy, do you like animals? Do you like animals? Yes or no? Do you like animals?
Yes.
Yes, yes, I do. Let's say yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Again, let's say yes, I do. Do.
Do.
Yes. Yes, very good. Yes, I
Do.
do. Now, what
True.
okay, what's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? Hmm, what's your favorite animal?
Nó có vị như thế nào? Bạn thích loài động vật nào nhất?
Mm,
Hmm, what's your favorite?
a cat.
Oh, cat. Wow. Okay, let's say it in a sentence. My favorite, my favorite animal is
Animal is
cat.
cat.
Okay, again, let's answer the question. Lucy, what's your favorite animal? My, what's your
My,
favorite? Favorite
my favorite animal in is
is?
cat.
Okay, perfect. Wow, very good. And do you have a cat? Do you have a cat? Yes or no?
Bạn có nuôi mèo không?
No.
No. Oh, okay. Okay, so very good. So that is your favorite animal. How about this, Timey? Can you tell teacher what are this? What are these?
Đây là những gì?
Hmm. What are these? Hi. What are this? Is this a tree? This one. Is this a
No.
tree?
No.
No. What are these? What are these? Like this. Chin. There are a lot of this. What is the name of this plant?
Tên của
What?
loại cây này là gì?
Hmm. What is the name of this plant?
A flower?
Okay, very good. So these are flowers. Again, let's say these are flowers.
Flower.
Okay, very good. These are flowers. Now, Lucy, do you like flowers? Do you like flowers? Do you like? Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. When answering questions with do, you will answer it with yes, I do. Okay, again. Do you like flowers, Lucy? Do you like flowers?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Two. No.
Okay,
Two.
okay, very good. Yes, I do. Now, what's your favorite flower? What's your favorite flower, Lucy?
Loài hoa yêu thích của bạn là gì?
What's your favorite flower? What's your favorite flower?
Pink.
A pink flower. Oh, is that a ruler? Okay, like this one. Do you like this flower? Look at the picture. Do you like that flower with a circle, this one?
Yes.
Yes, wow. Okay, I will tell you what my favorite flower is. So this one. This is my favorite flower. So do you know this flower? This one?
Hmm?
Yes,
It's
this flower.
pink.
It's
Pink.
purple. It's purple. Is this pink? No, it's purple. It's color purple. So this is teacher's favorite flower. So the name of this flower is iris. Yes. So it's the same as my name. So this is the flower iris. Yeah, so it's a purple iris. Okay, that's my favorite flowers. So since you told teacher that you like pink flowers, so do you like these flowers? Pink? Pink flowers. Do you like these flowers? Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. Okay, very good. So that's it. So now let's describe the color of the flowers that we can see in the picture. What color is this, or what color of the flower is this? What color? This is what color? This is a yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow what? Yellow flower.
Flower.
Again, what is this flower? This. What's this flower? This. This is a yellow.
Yellow flower.
Okay, how about this one? This one. What color is this flower, Lucy? What color is this flower? Is this pink? Oh, who's that? Is that your brother?
Brother and sister.
Oh, brother and sister. Oh, I cannot see your sister. Is it your
Hmm?
little sister? Wow. What are they doing? Are they playing? Are they playing? So cute. Okay. Okay, so now again, what color is this flower? What color?
It's purple.
Okay, this is a purple. Okay, let's try to say it in a sentence. This is
A purple.
purple flower.
Purple flower.
Okay, very good. So next, how about this one? What color is this flower? This is what color? This is a
A
pink flower.
pink flower.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I think this one, so we will end our lesson here, but make sure to review, especially the sentence that we create at this one, because in our next class, so we will learn about vocabulary words that are in this picture, okay? Okay, so I think it's already the end of our time. So, Lucy, see you again soon. And I'll see you again next Thursday. Okay, make sure to review the picture, okay? Okay, so thank you so much for active participation today. And see you again soon. Okay, wait. Let me do that also. How do you do that? See you again. Goodbye. How do you do different? I want a pink heart. Pink heart. Yeah, pink heart. I want that. And pink flower. Oh, there's no pink flower. Oh, this one. Bye bye. It's so cute. Flower. Goodbye. See you again soon, Lucy.